Today we're doing this look. But before, please make sure to follow my channel, to like this video, and let's start. So we are starting with a BB cream. I was looking at my photos that I have on Instagram and I found this one. And I realized that I don't have any tutorials, I didn't film this makeup look, and I got so curious to repeat it. I really hope that it will look the same. I don't remember any products that I used because I have a lot of similar shades, but I really love this look, so let's try to figure it out together. The next one is concealer. The best thing you can do for amazing application of contour is to take a very little brush and apply concealer in a very thin layer, because it really changes everything, but it takes a lot of time. Like a lot of time. Okay, this concealer is pretty good. I've noticed that when you do this like very thin layer of concealer, then I just go with my finger to blend it more smoothly. It actually covers my dark circles. They're not that bad today because I had a really good sleep today, but you see, like, they're really like, it's very thin layer, so you can't see that I have concealer on, but it still gives you this coverage, and it's so amazing. So that's how I started doing my makeup, but it really takes a lot of time. But it's really worth it because right now I'm literally always sure that my makeup is looking really good. Okay, after concealer we have two blushes, like this, two blushes. So this blush is a bit transparent because it gives you this natural look, and I really love it because a lot of people I heard they were saying that it's not pigmented enough, but honestly for natural looks I love it. If you like natural looks, I guess you will love it. Let's do the points, the nose, chin, and here, like this and like this, and eyes. So these are the points where you need to use blush. Okay. This blush is more red. It's very weird placement, but I really love how it looks on the photos. Blend it like this. So going to your cheeks, like this. I'm gonna use a brush for it to be more smooth. And what is left on the brush, let's add here at the tip of the nose. So we need to take our concealer again and place it here. So we just need to concealer it a bit. As you can see, this concealer placement really brightened this area. I'm using this Rom&nd Better Than Eyes palette. So we're adding color here and here a little bit. So this line and this line. For eyes we don't need to use a lot of shades because this is actually the only shade we will use. Now we're gonna use this highlighter, so I'm gonna set everything with powder. So this beautiful highlighter is the main character of this makeup. So this is how it looks right now, and we're gonna use it everywhere. On the cheeks, see the difference? It makes your makeup so dreamy. So I usually use a lot of it when I want this like dreamy look. So everywhere here. Then on our eyes, you go, instead of using any shadows, you're using it here and a little bit like in the corner. Look at the difference. I use it on the nose. This makeup is basically just highlighter makeup. That's why I love this highlighter. I was afraid to use it at first because it's really pink. As you can see, it gives you like pink color. So I have two eyeliners. This one is more black and this one is very easy to use. For this look I'm gonna use this one. This eyeliner is not as bold as that one, but I really love that it's very easy to use it. We need white pencil, and we need to draw a line, take it under your eyeliner, which should look like this. Mascara. My eyebrow set, I added beauty mark here. I'm elongating the tails as always. Okay, the most interesting part for me is lips, because this color is amazing. So I think that I used these two. I'm not sure. When I saw that picture, I was like, what is this lip combo? So the first one is this. This color is Plum Coke. And oh, it kind of... I guess it is. Oh, I guess I'm right. Looks very similar to what I have on the picture. Okay. I love this subtle red. This color gives you like bold look, but still very subtle. So the next is this one. I'm just applying it over. Okay, it looks amazing. I love glosses on me, so I'm gonna add gloss. Our makeup is done. Like, do you think this is the look? Because it really looks like on the photo, I guess. I personally really love it. It's very quick and romantic. If you shop on YesStyle for makeup and skincare, you can use my code to have a discount. Well, I really hope it was helpful and interesting to watch, and I guess see you in my next video. See you next time.